Afternoon.
Good afternoon. This is Aruna from Quality Department. First of all, congrats for your placements, Lavanya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, just a feedback interview. We'll start up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you introduce about yourself, Lavanya?
Yes, ma'am. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I'm Lavanya S. and I'm from Bengaluru. And I completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Construction Technology and Management from Acharya Institute of Technology, Bengaluru. I completed my graduation in 2021. So I was pursuing my CACM course in CMTI Institute and I got placed.
Okay, how did you get to know CMTI?
Ma'am?
How did you get to know CMTI, Lavanya?
So it was from one of my classmates. She's a passed out student of CMTI. She told me about the course and the institute, and I was very much interested to pursue it further.
Okay, what did you learn in CMTI about the courses, syllabus, and all?
So CMTI basically has their own curriculum syllabus, which contains both practical and theoretical knowledge of what we didn't learn in our college. So basically, it has courses on how a project is planned, the QS and QC, but like the software is also like AutoCAD, SketchUp. So they have included, amalgamation of all the management and theory subjects which will be needed for us for the industry, for industrial exposure and the needs and requirements of the companies and other recruiters. So based on that, they have generated the course and curriculum, and yeah, we have been trained in that manner.
Okay, then what about the trainers? How was their approach during the sessions and the sites?
Yes, ma'am. The trainers were very much cordial. They coordinated with us. They were open for doubts. And they used to, the main goal of their teaching was to make us understand and help us, wherever we do mistakes or what and all the. Usually, they used to, train us in a way where it can be used in our industry or the company. So they helped us. That's it.
Okay, then what about CMTI app? How did that help you?
Yeah, so CMTI app is exactly like it contains the courses. So for online purposes, like for if we go home and if we want to revise, so we can use the CMTI app and revise all the modules. So it contains the library and we can also take tests on CMTI app, so it will test our understanding of the subject.
Okay, then what about how did you crack the interview? How many rounds of interview was there?
So, ma'am, before I went to the interview, I took the a cracking interview course on CMTI app. Um, I made sure that I present myself in a good manner and be confident. And yeah, the interview went well. They asked few questions about ourselves and about the role we are about to take. So yeah, the teachers also helped us and guided us.
Okay. Okay, how was the CMTI staffs during the interview process and all? How did they coordinate with you?
Yes, ma'am. CMTS staffs are like they were wonderful. They were student friendly. And be it any query, they resolved it in few minutes. Overall, it was very helpful.
Okay, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
I would definitely recommend CMTI course, like CACM course from CMTI. Because degree alone is not enough for us to, like right now it's not enough for us to face the challenges which is in the market out there. we need courses like this, where certification like this, where we get trained on certain subjects, which is required. So I would definitely suggest them and to make use of this course.
Okay. Yeah, that was a good feedback, Lavanya. Thanks for your time.
Thank you, ma'am.
Once again, congrats for your placements and all the best for your future. Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Lavanya.
Thank you so much.